it's harder to be able to produce milk for those cubs. I mean, those bears, the mothers, they are staying in a den without anything to eat for maybe 4 or 5 months, and then they need to be in very good condition when they start.
According to studies that atmospheric scientists have done, it might take 10 or 15 years for global temperatures to stabilize, and then another 10 or 15 years for the sea ice to respond to that temperature stability. So we've got our work cut out for us. The future, if we continue on the course that we're on, doesn't look good for polar bears. And we need to act quickly if we want to take advantage of the opportunity that we still have to save polar bears over much of their range.